We are cooking one of my favorite dishes today, but we're doing it different. We are going to hack my crispy, bacony cabbage dish and make it work in the Instant Pot.
Don't know what to do about dinner? Dad got this.
This is a family favorite around this household. Everybody loves it, the kiddo loves it, the wife loves it, and it's simple. The regular recipe is pretty simple, but I wanted to see if there was a way to make it even easier. Use the Instant Pot, do it all in one shot, and have like the fastest possible amazing meal I could come up with. The secret and the trick to make this entire dish awesome: bacon. Did you expect anything else? Let's get cooking.
First thing you need to do, set your Instant Pot to saute and throw some olive oil in it. Just enough to coat the bottom. While it's heating up, we're gonna make some quick work of about a half a head of cabbage. Just chunks. An onion, white onion, slices, half an onion. Bacon, all bacon. Just chunk them up into, I don't know, inch pieces. All the exact amounts and ingredients will be in the description, so don't worry about it. Throw your chicken into the preheated Instant Pot and just brown them. Took maybe 4 minutes to get them all browned. Bacon. Throw your bacon in the pot, move it around, get it to reduce and cook a little bit, and then throw in your onions. You're not gonna get crispy bacon here, don't worry about it. Throw in some salt, some ground pepper, butter, minced garlic, sugar, some dried basil, and use citrus champagne vinegar. It just has an amazing taste. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it. Throw your vinegar in. Good old-fashioned chicken broth. You want to make sure that you have enough liquid in your Instant Pot so you do not get the dreaded burn notice. Dijon mustard or stone ground mustard. This thing just gives a kick of flavor to the dish. You don't use anything other than stone ground mustard. You got to get that stuff. Throw in your cabbage. Give everything another little mix up again. Chicken back on top. Don't forget the juices. And then I pour a little bit of extra chicken broth on there because I just don't want to get a burn notice. Lid on. Make sure you are on sealing. Pressure cook on high pressure. And we're going to do this for 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm still pushing buttons. All right. See you in a little bit.
When the Instant Pot beeps, do what's called a natural release, at least 10 minutes. Let it sit there after it tells you it's done for 10 minutes, and then I release the steam. It still had quite a bit of steam. Optional step for you guys, you don't have to do this, but I suggest you do. Take the chicken out. I threw mine in my air fryer with a little spritz of oil for 5 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees, and I got that wonderful crisp on the chicken. You don't get that out of the Instant Pot. It's a little bit, braised and mushy. If you don't have an air fryer, that's fine. Throw it under your broiler for a few minutes. Just put a little color and crisp into the skin, and that's all you need. Enough talking to you. Let's try this awesome food. No knife required for this. You ain't gonna need it. Look at that. Perfectly juicy, crispy chicken skin. We'll throw a little bit of rice, a little bit of cabbage and pork on there. I made some rice. If you don't know how to make rice in the Instant Pot, I have 2 videos on jasmine rice and a couple other videos. I'll link them in the description. You guys should check them out to make some awesome Instant Pot rice. But, sorry, hold on. That's it. Yep. Just as good as the OG dish. simpler. Throw everything in the Instant Pot, and man, that's good. A little bit of a vinegary taste from the vinegar. If you don't have champagne vinegar, apple cider vinegar works just as good. The cabbage is cooked, not crispy, but not soggy. Perfect. The bacon, what else can you say about bacon? You cannot beat this. Another thing you couldn't beat would be subscribing to this channel. If you found this video fun, entertaining, you like the food, you think Dad's got a funny haircut, whatever it is, if you think there's a way I could improve this dish, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. Do you eat something similar to this food? I'd also like to know. Do you have favorite dishes that you would like Dad to try to figure out how to cook in the Instant Pot? Yeah, let me know all that stuff. I'm an open book. That makes no sense at all. That's not what I was saying. I'm willing and able to take comments and suggestions. I think my brain isn't working because I just want to sit here and finish this entire plate of food. I don't know what else to say about this fantastic dish other than Dad doesn't do outros. So that's it.